In this video, we're going to build on the scheduling of campaigns technique that we learned in a previous video to insert advertising to create greater revenue. So log into your dashboard, choose a campaign. Already chosen one at the bottom. We'll choose the Royal Cup that we had previously. In that campaign, there's several ways you can advertise. First, you can place header and footer banners. So say we choose the header. We already have our logo there. What we'll do is we'll give some space and we'll insert an image. Here we'll choose this image here. And what you'll do with that is you'll actually create a link. So you can link that to wherever you want. I don't know what this is specifically for, so we'll just say it goes to Amazon. So that's linked. Next you can go to the footer, and you can see in our footer we have Wi-Fi sponsored by. Let's say we have someone sponsoring it, let's say DraftKings. So what we'll do is we'll insert another image. Probably saw I had the DraftKings image there. We'll insert that. You can see that shows on the bottom now. Maybe we want to take that space down. What we'll do is we'll insert a link in there. So you click on the image, you'll click the insert link button, and that'll go to DraftKings. We'll insert that image, and we've now inserted that. We'll go to step 3. Here you can take a survey. We have a custom thank you page. Let's take the survey button out of there. Delete that. And let's say we have white text here, so we'll go to the end, make some space. Instead of taking this survey, what we'll do is we'll say thank you for using our Wi-Fi. Change color on that for just a second so we can see it. We'll say please take the time to visit our sponsors for offers. For great offers. And here again we can add images. We'll choose to insert an image. Insert a couple of images. Actually, you can insert several images, as many as you like actually. Insert DraftKings again. Then we can insert another image. Again, you can do as many of these as you want and just make them scroll down the page. Each one you have to just resize slightly and then they'll all show up. What we'll do is we can link any of those. So say we choose DraftKings and we go back to DraftKings.com, and you can link all of them. I'm just showing you real quickly how you can do that. So then you have the header, the footer, the thank you page. You can actually, if you wanted to, you could redirect to someone's site. These are all advertising spaces that you guys can sell, and you can run them whenever you want. So we'll just save that. Go to step 4. We'll save. We'll update this. And now that we've saved it, what we can do is we can go back, scroll down to your campaign, and what we'll do is you can go to you see I have it assigned to 2 locations. What we can do is go to either location and we can schedule different ones. What we can do here is we can clone the campaign, and if you clone the campaign you'd have exactly what's in it now with the same banners. Essentially what you do is you can say this is specifically for DraftKings and we had no other advertisers on it. We can call this Royal Cup Guest DraftKings. Then we can clone it. We can create another one. Say we had one for Amazon. We can say Royal Cup Guest Amazon and do that. So let's clone this real quick. So now that we've cloned the campaign, we'll go into, and you see here, copy. We'll go into the campaign. Instead of calling it Coffee Bar Campaign Copy, we'll call it Coffee Bar Campaign Amazon. And from here what we'll do is we'll go back. We'll change the header. We'll delete this image. Bring that back up. We'll delete the footer image. we'll add another image. What we'll do is we'll add the Amazon image. There we go. Little Kindle books, coffee shop, people like to read. Sponsored by Kindle Books and More. We can then go to step 3. We can delete each of these images. We'll say sponsors is sponsor. We'll add that Kindle image, banner image there. And then we will save this. Now that we've saved it, we want to go to our locations. We'll see where the coffee bar campaign is. Coffee bar. We'll do is we'll edit this location. We can go to, we'll then go to campaigns. You can see we have coffee bar campaign. We have our closed from the previous video, and what we can do is we can schedule a new campaign, and we'll select the campaign. We'll go to coffee bar campaign Amazon, and we can schedule that anytime we want. We can schedule it daily, and we can run it. Say we sold Amazon time every day from, let's say they probably want a good time, so we'll say 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. And we'll save that, and then Amazon is paying you advertising for that primo spot of 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. when people are coming in, getting coffee, maybe sitting down, reading the paper, and getting some Kindle books. So good advertising for Amazon. And what you can do is you can clone each campaign and simply change the banner ads and name it for whoever the sponsor is for that particular ad, or if you have several, you can name it that way so you can tell your campaigns apart. But you simply schedule the campaigns to run at different times, and you can sell different time slots. Again, you can also sell the thank you page, which would probably get you, a greater amount of revenue since it's a bigger space. And you can also change the SSID of your campaign. You could say Royal Cup guests sponsored by Amazon, or free Wi-Fi sponsored by Amazon, or however you want to do that. So there's plenty of opportunity to sell advertising and simply schedule campaigns and have them come up at different times. You can put them on the header, you can put them in the footer, you can put them on the thank you page, you can redirect to an offer page, an existing offer page that they may already have. So these are all opportunities to sell advertising within your campaigns. And as you can see here, I've connected to the network, and you see we have our advertising links here and at the bottom as well. We'll agree to terms. I'm just going to connect with email real quick. We'll connect. It should then take us to the thank you page, which will also show more advertising. As you can see here, you can click on either or. So we actually gave DraftKings a link. Obviously, you'd want to give them all a link, but if you click on DraftKings here, you can see that it takes you right to their page. Here's another thing that here you have enter the promo code. So you may want to give your specific users a promo code. Hey, use this promo code on DraftKings, and then they'll be able to log in. They'll have a promo code, something like that. Obviously, you want to make it relevant to the business that you're at. Gives you an idea of how it works and how you can put advertising on your pages. And that is a brief walkthrough of how you add advertising to your campaigns and how you schedule them to make the most revenue possible.